Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to do a Wicked battle. It's time for the Retro Arcade versus the G1000 or the new Retro Arcade version 2, how do you want to pronounce it. So in this video I just wanted to give you a side-by-side comparison. What are the differences? So basically both systems are more like a multi-platform slash console system. So what you can do basically is just play it like an arcade machine, and you can plug in a controller and just play together with your buddy. You can also connect them to your television, and I just wanted to show you what are the improvements, differences, and yeah. Okay, stay tuned and let's go. Alright, so the first one we're going to take a close look at is the Retro Arcade. So this was the first version I did a review about and did a couple of extended testings, and overall it's not a bad system out of the box. There are some improvements. For example, you can soft mod it, you can even stick a pie in it. But nevertheless, we're going to look at it like it is original out of the box. And what you're going to get, for example, we have this analog stick. It's not a real arcade stick, there's a little bit of bummer. Slick start. 6 buttons, very convenient if you want to play some fighting games. It got this very nice, if I'm saying it correctly, 4-inch, I will not say EPS screen, let's put it LCD screen. I must say it got a very good view angle. But okay, here at the side we're finding volume control. And what was a little bit of a bummer with this system, that you only have an AV out. You haven't, let's say you can basically buy an AV out to HDMI converter and you have still HDMI, but still the signal output is not the best. So this is what we're going to get, but now we have the new version, the G1000 or Retro Game version 2. Alright, so let's take a close look at the G1000 or the Retro Game version number 2. I just like to call it that way. Okay, so they did a lot of changes. The first one, the more like the Captain Obvious one, is that this thing is freaking huge compared with the first generation. They did some changes and not all of them are very good. First of all, let's talk about the joystick. They still using this analog thing, this super wiggle stick. Or better said, wiggle stick you don't gonna like. Right, so the buttons, this is something they really surprised me, is that you're having this long travel buttons, giving you more this arcade feeling. Very cool. We're having select, start, return, volume, control. We're having a lot of new buttons over here. Very clickish. At the side we have nothing. And also they improved the sound with a bigger speaker. We can now, yes, can you see it? No, you cannot see it. Yes, you can see it now. We can use HDMI output. So that's pretty damn awesome. But what I think is really weird sometimes with these Chinese products, now we're using the mini USB. So that's pretty weird. A lot of portable systems, for example, using the micro USB, or some are even using Type C. But now they are still using this mini USB, so that's pretty weird that they make this choice. But if you're putting them side by side, you can already tell that this one is smaller, yes, but the colors, to be honest, yeah, they are more vibrant. The black color is really black and this is more like a little bit of gray. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, and that is something that is a little bit of a bummer. So we have a bigger screen, yes it is. I think it's really cool because I love big screens, but the colors, that is something that is better on the smaller version. Okay, so out of the box, what I understand, they are still selling this retro game with this kind of software. They also use this in the Popka family. Not bad software, but more like this Chinese, I'm guessing more like this Chinese version. But I already told you some ways to upgrade it, even with a pie in it. That's all possible. I really like this menu, looks nice. The sound is not bad at all. But you can see, this also have this small dead zone, but it's not very huge. Alright. Alright. And the emulation is not bad at all. So as you can see, it's still playable with the joystick, but it is not the best. For example, if you want to play some Street Fighter, it's freaking horrible. So if you want to beat them up, it's not a big deal, not really. Alright, so if you look at side by side, and what I've noticed with these systems, both have the pros and cons like always. So this one goes around, if I'm saying it correctly, $60, and this one is around the $90. It can all be a little bit depending where you buy it and when you buy it or when you're seeing this video. So don't pin me on the price, it's more like an indication. The idea behind it is that you can plug it in your television and you can just play these games, and even with a controller together with your buddy. The idea behind it's pretty damn cool. I like this LCD, it's tiny, it's small, but it's very colorful. I like it. If it comes to the volume, both have very good volume. The buttons, I like them both. It's a little bit of a bummer of this one. I hope that in the future they're going to make one with a real arcade stick. The screen is very cool, very nice, very big. So if you want to put this one on a table and just want to play with two controllers, that is also possible. The support, and this is something I need to show you. This one even supports Capcom System 3. It runs the PlayStation games way better than this one. So the options are way bigger with this one. Of course, in the future maybe some things will change, or a new version or a new software. But beside that point, if you pull it out of the box, this is what you're going to get. If you want to see the full reviews, don't forget to check out the full gameplay list. I have extended testings, you name it. I hope this video helped. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like video games, I know you like video games, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel for gameplay. Yeah. Alright, see you next time.